The Indian superhero trinity. Oh my god. Can this really happen? I'm loving these artworks coming from great artists. Such a cool idea, such a fan fiction. But can it work? Can it become a reality? Let's find out. Hello guys, I'm Nona Prince, and the first time I saw these artworks, I was just blown away. First of all, such great artworks, and over that, such a great idea. All three films are one of the best superhero films in India. They are so well done, all three are very grounded, and them coming together will be epic on screen. But there is a big but. So I have points with me why it cannot work and why it can work. So let's dive into it. So the first point why it may not work is that this idea is not organic. I always believe that the story should come first. That someone is imagining a story, and for that story you need all three characters to come together. Then it's an organic idea. But when you're thinking let's bring all these three characters together and write a story around it, it will not work. And we have witnessed that in the past. Look how successful MCU is. Everything they do is organic. Kevin Feige has said in an interview, we have all these characters. You can use any of them when you are writing the story. But we don't do that. We think, do you need that character? Does it really make any sense in the story? Because they don't want to force it. And that's why they're so successful. And then look at DCU. They made Superman movie. Okay, let's add Batman and then make a story around it. Let's add all the Justice League members, then make a story around it. And you know what happened. So when you force these things, it never comes out good. And we don't want, when these three people come together, the film is not that good. Do you really want that? My second point why it cannot work is that all these three films and three characters are created by three individuals and their team. All three of them have a different idea how to make a film, how to write a character, how to tell a story. And especially Minnar Murli, because Vikramaditya Motwani and Vasan Bala are friends. They have already been talking about doing a crossover with their characters. But Minnar Murli is by Basil Joseph, set in a Kerala village. His storytelling, his way of writing, the way he shoots a film, the mindset he has, it's very different. So it will not surprise me when all three come together, there will not be creative differences. And creative conflicts happen even with like-minded people. There's no doubt about that. And if these three people can come together and work together, that's great. But it's very, very unlikely. I'll just ask you one thing. Who will direct the crossover movie? Now my third point is the power levels. Bhave jo superhero is a vigilante. Even Martkudatni Hota character Surya is a vigilante, but he doesn't feel pain. And that's in a way kind of a medical thing, but he has turned into a superhero thing. So that's his superpower. Whereas Minnar Murli, he's just too OP in front of them. He has super strength, he has super speed, he can even control objects, telekinesis. So in front of these two characters, he's just too OP. So to balance it out in a script and story, it will be very difficult. It can definitely happen. It has happened so many times in the past with other characters from DC Marvel, but it is a big problem that needs solving. Okay, now I've made you very sad and all, but let's come to the good part of why it can happen. So the first reason is that the best thing, which is always the issue why these things cannot happen, is that Netflix own all three films. So Netflix is the boss. If they want, they can bring all three together. No one can stop them. That's the best part, honestly. No NOC contract issues, nothing like that. So if Netflix wants, they can just greenlit it anytime. And maybe when this video drops, it has already happened. See, now my perspective is that they should not directly make a crossover movie. No. Don't do that. Please. Never. That's the worst idea. Build up to it. Always. Basil Joseph has already said he's working on Minnar Murli too. That's great. I want a Bhave Joshi 2 to come out first. I want Surya to go on another adventure. And then you build up to a crossover. And all three actors can work together and put Easter eggs around and maybe build up to a villain like Thanos maybe. But I want them to build up. I directly don't want a crossover to happen. It will not be that fun. And we know that, right? Infinity War Endgame. 23 films later. That's why it makes so much impact. Spider-Man No Way Home. 20 years of Spider-Man movies. That's why it is so fun to watch that film. So please build up to it. And building up to it will take a lot of time. It may take 7 to 8 years for all three to come on screen for us for the first time. But it will be worth it. Now the question that who will direct the movie? They can either choose a fourth director who knows all three and understands what he's doing and make it. Or you can make a series where episodes are divided between the directors. See, definitely there are so many ideas and you can let me know yours in the comments below. But there are ways you can do it. It can happen. And I would love that to happen. I'm sure the creators will be up for the task. It's just about when Netflix wants to do it. Because they have the power to do it. So let our voice reach to them. That we need this. We want this to happen. And please plan it and then do it. Don't rush to it. Through channel membership, you can support this channel and help me continue this journey ahead. And in turn, you get various perks. To know more, click on the join button. For more information, check out the community page. So guys, that's the video. Thank you for watching. If you like this, the thumbs up button. Share this video so more people talk about it. Let me in the comments your thoughts. If you haven't subscribed yet, check out the videos. If you like them too, do subscribing, and I'll see you next time.